Hey, what's going on out there? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is another fantastic place to get some people looking at your website. I wouldn't even shoot a video or take the time if I didn't think this source was worthy of helping y'all get traffic to your website. So the name of this is, you might have seen this around before. It's called the State of the Art Mailer System. Now this community is real active over here. And they have over 30,000 members. It's absolutely free to sign up for. When you look at ads, you build up credits. That's if you want to go the free route. Now, if you don't, you can pay for advertising. Or you can buy credits. There's all different kinds of advertising over here. So, man, you can purchase solo ads. And this place continues to evolve and get better for its members. They always adding new things. So this is something most definitely you want to sign up for. Like I say, it's free. And like I say, if you want to go a paid route in your advertise, you can do that as well. But I'm telling y'all, this is one y'all do not want to sleep on. It don't take that long to sign up. Just go through the sign up process. Only take about 2 or 3 minutes at the most, and you'll be a member. And this, like I say, market on here as much as you possibly can. And it's really nothing else to say. I don't even gotta make this a long video, but I'm telling y'all right now, they are really responsive over here at State of the Art Mailer. So it's free to join, and I urge you to take advantage of this platform. So I'm gonna put a link below this video, and I'm also gonna put a link to my blog below this video as well. So that way you can see all the online and offline opportunities that I have over there. And I have a marketing resources page that will definitely give you some resources as far as traffic goes that you might have never heard of before. So also make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that notification bell. And y'all have a wonderful day, and get that free state of the art mailer account. Peace.